Back from Texas, and I have a lot of Amazon packages, so let's jump in on probably my largest Amazon unboxing yet, and so many must-haves for fall. I'm gonna jump right in. First package is a little sweater. It's like a vest, or it can be a tank. I thought this would be perfect for like fall transition outfits with jeans, and then eventually you can wear it through winter over something, so it's so cute. So I can't wait to try that on. I ordered everything in my true size. Oh wow, my hair is real frizzy. Just to start with, I guess, and then we'll see from there. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Okay, let me cut this open. There's some really cute pants. I like dress very boho, like grunge, kind of like comfy but cute. If that makes sense, I don't know. But they're like wide leg, like linen, like pants. I did like a seafoam color. I might have to order them in tan too when I try them on. Super cute. Let's see what's next. Brought a couple packages over to open. Okay, this is like a waffle knit. I do not remember what I ordered. I ordered so much. Late one night in Texas, I was like, I'm gonna order a bunch of fall clothes. This is, oh, okay. I think I remember, yeah. So cute. This is a Free People inspired sweater. I cannot wait to style that. That is really cute and actually really awesome quality. But sometimes I get catfished, y'all, so. I just am open and honest, so if you don't follow me, hit the follow button, because I'm never going to lie to you guys. Like, this is not the color I thought it was me. This was supposed to be, like, olive green, and it's, like, seafoam and lime, so this will probably be going back unless I can style it cute. It's kind of cute. We'll see. I'll have to style that to see if I'm going to keep it, because the colors of that are not. Oh, yeah, I'm going to love this. This is a good find. It's, like, a Western Aztec print. Oh wow. Like shacket jacket. I thought this would be so cute through fall and winter. I love when I find these like hidden gems on Amazon before anyone else or before they're still out. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, yeah, can't wait to style that. And you can see it's kind of oversized. It is small. Okay, next is this super cute like pumpkin color cardigan. Thought this would be perfect for fall, especially for like teachers. Or just really anyone. It's so cute. If I think I can style this really cute and it will be like trendy, I don't know, we'll see. Sometimes I order things and have this like vision in my head and then they're just a fail. But so that's a maybe if I can style it cute. This one I love. I had this in olive last season. I'm obsessed. It's like a jacket. It's corduroy. And it has the sweatshirt hood. This is freaking phenomenal. Bomb. Love it. Okay, let's see. This is another Free People inspired. Yes. And I did it in like a chocolate. I'm really into neutrals right now. And it's super oversized with like the details. Free People inspired. But like I said, it's like 1/4 the price. I think I did a small in this. Yeah, small. So it's super, super oversized. Okay. Let's see. Thank goodness Amazon gave me long content because this is going to be like 6 minutes. So if you're still with me, thank you. My favorite Free People inspired jumper. Okay, obsessed with this color. Cannot wait to style this. And actually this is a different brand, but I love how thick and it's kind of stretchy like spandex. I'm kind of obsessed, so I think I'm going to order that in cream. If I liked that brand, I had put it in my cart in cream. So you know my chocolate trait is if I like something, I order it in every color, so you know I like that. Okay, can't get into this. These bags childproof. I'm a child. So this is a lot thinner than the blue one I have, but it would probably be good for right now because it's not too cold. But I love that color. It's kind of like a heathered olive 1/4. Oh my goodness, so many more things. Okay, let's get these out. I have no idea what this wide leg pants. Oh, I didn't order red. I ordered a rust color. I know what this is. If I can get it open. This is supposed to be like Free People inspired, but I can already tell that the color is not what I thought. Be good for game day for my Georgia fans or Texans or something, but it's red. I wanted like a rust color, but it's like the little jumper, like wide leg pants. So it's like goes right here and their pants, and then it like goes over the shoulder, but you're supposed to wear like a t-shirt with them or like a top. So we'll try those on and style them. They might be cute for Christmas. Just not a big like red, like that color red. Like more of like this. I thought it was gonna be this color. Okay, another sweater. This is the Free People inspired by Jen Rust. I'm obsessed with my Birkenstock inspired or dupes, so I ordered them in a different style. I think I did the lighter brown in APS, but y'all, half the price and they literally look just the same. So got that color, and then another pair of shoes. Side note, if I'm ordering Birkenstock sandals in multiple colors and styles, you know they're legit, because I am not a sandal girl. Like, I wear my Vans every single day, or Hey Dudes or Nikes. I'm a sneaker and a boot girl. I never ever wear sandals. So, of course, had to get a fall sneaker, because, you know, like I just said, I'm a sneaker girl. How freaking cute are those high tops? Got these from Amazon, y'all. On sale. So cute. Then I'm about to order some Nike Air Forces, too. Probably my favorite thing out of this whole order, y'all, my rust colored cowgirl hat. You think I'm obsessed with fall colors? Maybe. This is beautiful, and I'm gonna drop that box loud. She is beautiful. It's like a pumpkin color. Just need to get her reshaped. Oh my goodness, she is so pretty. Now I need the wine and the forest green. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do, because I took a poll for this, what color I should order first from Instagram. Y'all did me right. Last box, but not least, got my have to have dry shampoo. Y'all, worth every penny. This is the best stuff ever. And then I got a like tripod thing for my car, so I can talk to you guys while I'm driving. So like you like stick this in your car and it holds your phone. I'm not gonna worry about taking that out. And then these are really important because I needed some fall colored bralettes for like under my jumpers and stuff. So I did this halter top ones. I thought it'd be cute. Oh no, I'm kind of disappointed though. They're really thin. So I definitely have to wear a strapless bra because you can probably see my nipples through that. Anyways, love the color. Love that. So I might have to order some other ones where I don't have to wear a bra because I don't like to wear bras. Anyways, stay tuned for a try on haul of all this stuff and follow for all things Amazon.